Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new and viewing this video. Today's video is brought to you by UNice Hair. They sent me a 18-inch lace frontal wig. All the information will be in the description box below if you're interested in getting this wig. Today's video, or at least the beginning of this video, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to get this wig placed on. So if you're interested, just continue to watch. And also, if you're new and viewing this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you're returning, thank you for returning, guys, and I will talk to you towards the end of this video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so I just want to get into a little bit of detail about this wig. It's an 18-inch unit from UNice Hair, and look at how voluptuous it is. These curls are popping. This hair is popping. It's a body wave unit. The lace melted into my skin pretty well. I was able to add some edges to it. Now I will say that this unit I did have to pluck it a lot, like a lot. So it does not come pre-plucked. It does not come bleached. None of that. I did have to bleach the knots as well. I'm probably going to end up coloring this unit at some point. I don't know what color I'm going to color it, but I am going to put that on camera for you guys. If you're interested in seeing me color it, let me know. I'll put that in the description box, or put it in the comment section below that you want to see me color the unit. I'm not sure what color I want it to be. I want it to be something that's fall appropriate, so give me some ideas, because I don't know. My nose ring keeps sticking out. but they put this little cute braided headpiece in the packaging with it, and I thought it was so cute and I wanted to put it on for today's video, so that's why I added it. And I will actually definitely be wearing this headband more. Makes me feel like a little younger or something, you know. I don't know, it's cute though. You gotta get up like real close to even tell like it's a wig. It melted into my skin pretty well. I had to add some powder to the lace because the lace wasn't that well tinted, so I had to tint it myself with some powder. But other than that, it still came out good. So 18-inch unit body wave, lace frontal. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. It is from UNice Hair on Amazon, so that link will be in my description box. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment as well. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.